Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our physics class. I am your physics teacher from United Public School, Tandur. We are discussing which chapter, ma? Third chapter, ninth class, third chapter. What is that? Law of motions. Laws. What is law, ma? Law nothing but rules of motions. Means motion is nothing but movement. Okay, movement. In that way, in this chapter, what we are learning? We are learning the rules of movement. When the body is moved from one point to another, how many condition, how many rules will applicable that body? Okay, ma? In that, what we are discussing the definition of force, type of force. In that, in type of force, we are discussing about the balanced force and unbalanced force, ma. Okay. In the last class, what we are discussing? We are discussing the Newton first law of motion also. Okay. Now we are discussing the inertia. Okay. What is inertia, ma? Inertia is nothing but just a laziness of objects. Okay. Inertia is nothing but, in short we can say the inertia is a resist the change. Means inertia क्या है? चेंज, कोई भी चेंज होने से रुक, चेंज होना नहीं चाहता माँ. ओके. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अपनी पोजीशन से चेंज होना नहीं चाहता. मीन्स रेजिस्ट मीन्स रोकना माँ. ओके. कोई भी अगर मोशन में, इफ द बॉडी इज इन मोशन, ही कैन नॉट, ही वांट दैट ऑब्जेक्ट इज वांट टू बी इन motion only. Okay. When the object is rest, they want to be a rest only. Okay. It is resist the change. It cannot, they cannot want to the any change of that state. Okay. If it is motion state, it will be on the motion only. Okay. It will be on motion only. If the object is rest, it will be on rest only. It cannot be changed to motion to rest and rest to motion. Inertia is we can say the laziness of object. Okay. In short, we can say the laziness of object. Okay. Any object, it is in motion, it want to be in motion. If the object is rest, it want to be at rest only. Okay. Resist means रोकना मा. Okay. रोकना, कोई भी चीज़ से करने से रोकना मा. अगर मोशन में है तो वो मोशन में ही रहना चाहेगा, अगर रेस्ट में है तो रेस्ट में ही रहना चाहेगा. इनर्शिया इज नथिंग बट to rest the change, to resist the change. Okay. Here is a proper definition of inertia. What is the inability of an object to change? What is inability, ma? Ability means, what is mean by ability? Ability means कर सकना. Okay. Inability means नहीं कर सकना, नहीं चाहना करने के लिए. Okay. Inability of an object to change the state of rest or motion. स्टेट में से रेस्ट में और रेस्ट में से मोशन में जाने के लिए वो इनएबिलिटी, उसके पास एबिलिटी नहीं रहती, वो नहीं करना चाहता, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? इनर्शिया. ओके. इनर्शिया. और मोर इन ए पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन बाय इटसेल्फ. ओके. what is the here the type of inertia? That what is the, we have the two types of inertia. What is static inertia and dynamic inertia? Okay. I think you understand what is the inertia. Inertia is nothing but it is a to resist the change, to resist any change. Okay. It has the inability to change and change its state from rest to motion and motion to rest. It is the inertia. Okay, ma. In that we have the one static inertia and dynamic inertia. Okay. What is static inertia? The inability of an object or body to change its state, the change its state of rest. Okay, by itself. Means the body अगर रेस्ट में है तो मोशन में जाने के लिए नहीं चाहेगी, क्योंकि वो रेस्ट में ही रहना चाहेगी. ऐसे इनर्शिया हो गया बोलते स्टैटिक इनर्शिया. व्हाट इज दैट मैम? द इनएबिलिटी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट और बॉडी टू चेंज स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट बाय इटसेल्फ. ओके. हियर इन फर्स्ट लॉ ऑप्शन व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग मैम, व्हेन द बॉडी इज रेस्ट, it will be a rest. After applying the force, it will be change the state. Okay, it will be changes the state, but it is a similar, the inertia also similar the first law of motion. In first law of motion, what we are discussing? We are discussing that when the body is in rest, it will be in rest. The body is in motion, it will be in continuing motion. After applying the force, it will be changed its state from rest to motion, motion to rest. But in inertia, the inertia also similar to first law of motion, but after applying force also it don't want to change the state. Here in inertia, after applying the force also, after applying external force, the object cannot be changed its state. They don't want to change its state. It is a laziness of inertia is nothing but it is a laziness of object. After applying force also you cannot change the state. Okay. In that we have the two inertia. What is static inertia and inertia? Inability of an Static inertia is inability of an object, the object and body to change its state of rest by itself. Means static inertia में क्या है, मैं अगर बॉडी रेस्ट में है तो वो रेस्ट में ही रहेगी, रहना चाहिए. आफ्टर अप्लाइंग फोर्स आल्सो इट कैन नॉट चेंज द स्टेट फ्रॉम रेस्ट टू मोशन. ही मोशन में जाने के लिए रेडी नहीं होगी आफ्टर अप्लाइंग फोर्स आल्सो. अप टू दैट क्लियर? विद द हेल्प ऑफ example we can understand the what is static inertia. Okay. Here the static inertia ma, what is static inertia? The inability of an object or body to change the state of rest by itself. Here the body is in rest position already. After applying force also it don't want to be changed to state after applying force. Okay, it will be in rest only. It is a laziness. It is a laziness of object. Okay, inertia is nothing but it is a laziness of object. Example of that that here is example of that static inertia ma, the person in a bus shifted backward when the suddenly bus is started moving ma. Okay, when the bus is start ma, what will happen after starting, what if we stand in the bus, what will happen? We are shifted to backward ma. Okay, because here the which inertia is applicable? Either static inertia is applicable. With the help of picture we are understanding the static inertia. Okay, suppose the person is standing in the bus now. Okay, standing near the bus. Here there when the bus is start now. Okay, just first the state is rest position now. It is moving or rest. Bus is moving but the person is rest position. First the person is in rest position now, it is state. Okay, after bus is moving now, what will happen? Suddenly the upper part of the body is shifted to the back. Here is your example ma, what is that? When one person is standing in the bus ma. Okay, when the bus is started, when bus is started means the force is applied. Okay, the force is applied, what will happen? The upper part of the body is moved backward. Okay, this food is contact with the bus nama, the upper part is not contact with bus, that's why the upper part of the body is moved backward. Means that the person is the object. Here the person we are considering as object means this person cannot be moved. Okay, cannot be moved completely, cannot want to be moved completely, that's why it is a laziness nama. That's why the food is contact with bus, the upper part is not contact with bus, that's why the upper part of the body is moved forward. This is the example of static inertia. Okay ma'am. Okay, we are completing static inertia. Come to the dynamic inertia. The inability of object or body to change its state of motion by itself. Means inability means नहीं कर सकना. Okay, it is inability. Ability means कर सकना. Inability means नहीं कर सकना. What is नहीं कर सकना मा? The state of motion, they do not be change the state of motion to rest. Okay, the motion से rest में नहीं आना चाह रहा मा. Okay मा, what is that? What is the example? What is the definition? The inability of object or body to change the state of motion by itself. अपने को जैसे वो motion से rest में नहीं आना चाहता, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Dynamic inertia बोलते हैं. What is the example? The person in a bus shifted forward. वो forward means सामने में. Okay, the person in a bus shift forward when the bus stops suddenly. Okay, when the bus is stopped suddenly, what will happen? Our upper part of the body what shifted forward because the dynamic inertia. With the help of this picture we can understand the dynamic inertia ma. As if at first position, what is the first position? At rest ma. Okay, it is standing here, the bus is moving. Bus is moving now. After applying force, which force ma? We are applying the force on brakes ma. Okay, the bus will be stopped suddenly. Means that what will happen at that time? The body, the person standing in the bus, what will happen? The upper part of the body, that person moved forward. Move forward means move forward ma, means the foot of that person is contact with bus, but the upper part of the body is not contact with bus na, that's why the upper part of the body move forward. This is the example of dynamic inertia ma. Okay, it is also example of dynamic. It is an example of inertia ma. Okay, here the glass is there. At bottom of the glass we are putting the one paper, in that we are putting the coin. Okay, what after applying the force, when we hitting that car, what will happen? The coin move with the paper. Is it right? The coin is moved with paper? No, it will be the paper is moved, but the coin is settled down on the glass. What will happen? The coin will not want to be moved. Okay, the coin is rest position is want to be at rest only. Okay, they want not, the coin is not in move. Coin is not want to move. Okay, yeah. Means that it is the laziness of that coin. The coin is rest position, they want to be at rest. Okay, this is the example of inertia. Okay, here is the one condition, the inertia is directly proportional to the masses. Okay, here inertia in masses is directly proportional to each other. Okay, with the help of example we are understanding the relation between the inertia and masses. The relation between the inertia and masses is directly proportional. Okay, what is meant by directly proportional? Means that inertia is more, the mass also more. When the mass is more, inertia also more. Okay, when the mass is small, the inertia also small of that objects. Okay, with the help of picture we can understand the inertia and mass relation. Can you see this picture, ma? What is that? Here bus is there, here bicycle is there, ma. Which mass is small, which weight is small? The cycle is small weight and the bus is large weight. If we want to move now, if we want to push the bus and cycle, which can be moved easily, which can be moved easily, bicycle or bus? We can move the bicycle easily because the mass is less. Means that the inertia of the cycle is less and the inertia of the bus is more. Okay, due to the more inertia we cannot move that, bus. We can easily move this bicycle. This is the relationship between the inertia and mass. When the mass is more, inertia also more. When the mass is less, inertia also less. Okay, the mass and inertia is directly proportional to each other. With the help of this picture we can easily understand that. Can you see this picture, ma? The mass and inertia is there. Here the teddy bear is there, here elephant is there. Which mass is more, ma? Elephant mass is more, na, ma? The object with more masses have the more inertia than the object with the small masses. Means that the small mass is there. When we pick up the two objects, which can easily pick up it? We can pick up the teddy bear, na? We cannot pick up this elephant because it has the more. Because it has a more mass, we cannot move this elephant. We can move this by pushing this teddy bear. We can change its state from rest to motion because it has a less inertia, because it has a less mass. Okay, when the mass is less, inertia also less. When the mass is more, inertia also more. Okay, today's class is completed. Just you have to complete your notes whatever discussed today. And definition also you have to write in your notes and submit in the group. Okay, thank you.